Mommy, this is your song. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. You never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away. Happy birthday, Mommy, and I will wish you a cake. Thank you, Mommy, for everything you have given me. And happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Tita Kalay. I wish your hopes and dreams come true.
Happy birthday!
Birthday to you. Happy birthday, Pui. Happy birthday, dear Pui. Happy birthday, Pui.
It's Tita Carla's birthday. Say happy birthday, Tita Carla.
Happy birthday, Papa.
Tita.
Happy birthday, Tita. You're the biggest, the strongest.
What are you going to say?
Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. You're the hardest spinning hair. Una, happy birthday, Tita Kalay. Happy birthday, Tita Kalay. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Tita Kalay. Happy birthday, Tita Kalay. Happy birthday, Tita Kalay. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Tita Kalay. Happy birthday, Tita Kalay. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Tita Kalay.
Carlota, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ate Carla. More blessing and God bless sa'yo. Ingat kayo palagi dyan.
Happy birthday pala sa'yo. At kumusta na kayo dyan lahat? Namimiss ko na kayo. Pasensya ka na, hindi talaga ako makakapunta dyan dahil busy ako sa mga anak ko. I miss you sa inyong lahat. Happy birthday. At saka, yung business mo talaga, nag-asenso ka na. Gawin mo lang yung pinaka the best para sa'yo. Hangang-hanga ako sa'yo, Carla. Sobrang sipag mo. Happy birthday. Enjoy sa yung birthday. And I love you so much, Carla. Happy birthday. Miss ko na kayo. Good luck and God bless sa inyong pamilya. Happy birthday.
Say hi! Say hi na kay Ate Carla. Hello! Happy birthday, Tita Carla! Diba na ikaw? Hi, Ate Carla! Happy birthday! Thank you sa pag-welcome sa akin. Yung papunta ako sa Cavite at sa Pampanga. I'm so proud sa lahat ng achievement mo. Masabi ko na isa ka nga talagang mabuting tao, kaya patuloy kang binibless ni God. So, sana patuloy yung blessing na dumating sa'yo at I'm so proud of you. Sana makita pa tayo and next year, malay mo. So, yun. Happy birthday. I love you so much. Wait, hindi pa pala tapos. I will pray na sana bigyan ka pa ng mahabang buhay ni God. At the same time, pati maging healthy po buong family mo, lalo sila Lucas, Liam, sila Kuya. Sana yun. Best wishes po, ate. I love you. I miss you.
Hello! Miss mo ko. Happy birthday! Wish ko sa'yo. Less stress and stay pretty. Love you. Happy birthday.
Hi, Moms! Happy birthday! Ayan. Thank you sa lahat sa friendship, sa mga advices. Alam mo yun, alam ko bihira lang tayo mag-usap, pero ikaw yung isa sa mga taong tinitreasure ko na parang babalik-balikan ko kahit hindi tayo nag-uusap madalas. Ikaw yung isa sa mga unang taong lalapitan ko for advices and of course for inspiration. Sana maging more successful ka sa business mo and stay a loving mom to your family and to your kids, especially kay Liam at sa napaka-cute na si Lucas. Ayan lang, bibisita kami ni Mama dyan. Naudlat na naman, pero ay, bibisita kami ni Mama dyan soon. Medyo busy lang kami. Pero sana before her birthday makapunta kami dyan sa inyo. Yan lang. Happy birthday. God bless.
So for today's video, I heard pang-asa ang VTR para sa iyong 40th birthday celebration. Happy birthday, Carly. Enjoy your day today, celebrating with your friends, your family, your fur babies. I wish you all the success at work, your current business and other business ventures you plan to take. And thanks for the friendship. And may continue to be a blessing to the people around you and the whole world and the universe. Thank you. Happy birthday.
Hello, Corley, also known as Chelsea Manalo. We didn't always get along at first, but later on we found out that we share a lot of things in common, like the things we like, the way we see life, and the things that we would like to do in life. So, sabi nila, birthday mo na daw, hamak mo yun, nagba-birthday ka pala. I wish you good health, more love from the people who value you. I also wish you peace of mind and abundance. Sana sa birthday mo mismo mataas ang iyong appetite at kumain ka ng madami at magpayaman ka dahil gaya ng usapan natin, magkakaroon ako ng own room ko sa mansion mo someday. Again, happy birthday and mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo.
Happy birthday, Tita Pony.
Happy birthday, Pony ng Pony.
Happy birthday, Pony! Anong handa? Happy horse ka naman. Yeah! Tsaka dalhin mo kami sa mansion mo. Ha?
Yeah!
Ni ulit, ni. Okay, di ba? Tinuruan ko siya para sa'yo. Okay? See
Yeah!
you soon, Pony! Yeah! Bye!
Happy birthday, Tita!
Happy birthday, Tita.
Happy birthday, Bes!
Happy birthday.
Mwah!